Okay, leaves are glabrous above and pubescent beneath, and flowers have greenish yellow in color, and inflorescences are short-stalked, corymbose heads, and fruit is pod, thin, flat, and straight, and seeds are suborbicular, oblong, and brown in color. You can see the corymbose head inflorescence. Coming to the Rasa Panjaka, Rasa is Kashaya Tikta Madura, Leguruksha Tikshna Guna, Virya Sushna, Vipaka Kadu, Prabhava Vishakna, Dosha Karma, Tridosha Shamaga, Vyadi Karma, Shodhahara, Visarpahara, Kasahara, Pranahara, Varnya, Kushtakna, Kandukna, Shwasahara, Tok Dosha Nashaga. Rogagnata, Vishavikara, Shodha, Shwasa, Kasa, Kushta, Kandu and Visarpa. You can see that in Guna, it is Tikshna Guna. It is also used in Vishavikaras. And in Agra Ushada, Shirisha is commonly told in Vishakna, as Vishakna. Shirisho, Bhandilo, Bhandi, Bhandi Rasya Kabitana, Shuga Pushpa, Shugataru, Vrita Pushpa, Shugapriya, Shirisho Maduro, Anushrasiktasya, Tuvaro Lagu, Dosha Shodha, Visarpagna, Kasavrana, Vishapaha. Mainly Tritosha Shamaga, as well as can be used in Shwasahara, Tokdosha Nashaga, Kushtagna, etc. Coming to the chemical constituents, major chemical constituents are albigenin, albiciagenin, albigenic acid, saponins, libicanins, AH. In bark, there is a presence of condensed tannins, decatechin, lebicacidin, melacacidin, etc. Hardwood, lebicacidin, leucopelargonidin, melanoxidin, ocanin. In leaves, there is a presence of camphorol, and flowers, benzyl oxide, benzoic acid, p-binitro, benzoate, etc. And Amaiko Prayoga, it is Shirisha Vishagnanam. Shirisha is regarded as the best drug for poisonous conditions. Shirisha seeds are used in different forms. And Shirisha Pushpa Swarasa, Sandarpadnasya Vapunaha, Pippali Madhusamyuktam, Kapapittanugam Madaha. That means juice of Shirisha flowers is mixed with pippali and honey is efficacious in Hikka and Shwasa, originated from Kapha and Pitta. It is also used in Sarpavisha, Shvedamarija soaked in Shirisha flower juice. That means Shvedamarija seeds of Shigru. Flower juice for 7 days is used for Nasya. In Suryavarta and Artha Bhedaga, both are headache types. Nasya of the seeds of Shirisha and Mulaga may be useful. Mulaga is a radish. In Kushta, paste of bark of Shirisha is useful. There are other uses like in internally high doses it produces a vomiting or a chirovirigina effect. Can be used in Nasya in rhinitis and also in puberty, delayed menstruation. It is treated with the flower can be used as a Shira Vaga for Srodho Shuddhi. And for night blindness also, leaf juice or decoction juice is dropped in the eyes. Upayukta Anga and Matra, stem bark, leaves, flower, seeds are used. Matra is Churna 3 to 5 gram, Quada 30 to 50 ml. Substitutes are Albizia marginata, Albizia odoratissima. Coming to the formulation, Shirisha Arishta, Shirisha Bijadileba, Shirisha Anjana, as well as Asanadi Kashaya, Maha Shirisha Agata, Vajragataila, Ayaskriti, Devadarvarishtam. All these are formulations of Shirisha. Okay, go through the drug video and write the notes of it. Okay, thank you.